Wait. Stop. Think your English is perfect? Check again. Stop making these English mistakes. Mistake 1, I'm agree. Don't say I'm agree. Instead, say I agree. Remember, agree is a verb, so I'm is not needed. Mistake 2, he go to school every day. Don't say he go. Instead, say he goes. Third person singular needs an S. Mistake 3, this book is more better than that one. Don't say more better. Instead, just say better. Better is already the comparative form of good, so we don't need more. Mistake 4, the data is reliable. The data are reliable. In formal English, data is plural from datum, so it takes the plural verb are. Mistake 5, these kind of problems are difficult. This kind of problem is difficult. These kinds of problems are difficult. Kind is singular, so use this kind. If plural, say these kinds to match. Mistake 6, she is more taller than me. She is taller than me. She is much taller than me. More and shouldn't be used together. Use either more or the comparative form, not both. Mistake 7, I didn't went to school yesterday. I didn't go to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday. After didn't, use the base form of the verb, not the past tense. Mistake 8, he is married with a teacher. He is married to a teacher. He got married to a teacher. The correct preposition is to when talking about who someone is married to. Mistake 9, I'm looking forward to see you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I look forward to meeting you. After look forward to, use a gerund, verb plus ing, not the base form. Mistake 10, she's good in playing the piano. She's good at playing the piano. She's talented at playing the piano. Use good at, not good in when describing skills or abilities. Remember, grammar may seem tricky, but every mistake is a chance to learn. Practice makes progress, and progress builds confidence. Small corrections today, big confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We hope you learned something new today. If you'd like to connect with us, here's how. Call us at +6 39943704907. Email us at zayuenglishacademy2026@gmail.com. Visit us at www.zayuenglishacademy.com. Kakao ID Tata010792. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. See you in the next lesson.